Match details. Weather.
Cloudy. Pitch condition.
Hobart offers one of the best surfaces to bat in Australia. The ball will come nicely onto the bat and the batsman will enjoy batting here. In the second innings, though, the pitch will get slightly slower, which will bring the spinners into play. Probable 11. Head-to-head. Odds.
Win percentage. Dream Team 11.
Batsman. David Malin, Tim David, Hilton Cartwright, Nick Maddinson. Wicket-keeper. Ben McDermott. All-rounder. DRC short, Glenn Maxwell, C, Marcus Stoneys, BC. Bowler. Riley Meredith, Zahir Khan, Scott Boland. Prediction tips. Hobart Hurricanes have a better balanced and well-settled team between the two sides, at least on paper. David Malin, Colin Ingram, and Tim David have been in incredible form for the Hurricanes. Melbourne Stars bowling hasn't fired in the recent matches, and the absence of Zampa won't do any good for them either. Pick your team. Hobart Hurricanes will win this match. Download our app, Cricket Forecast, from Play Store for prediction of cricket matches.